Change is coming to the world of real estate starting on Saturday. Garrett Drake is in our newsroom, and he spoke with local real estate experts to find out how this change will impact people. Garrett.
Yeah, Mike, while the change may not have a huge financial impact, it will modify the process of purchasing a home for the buyer and the realtor. The National Association of Realtors is implementing new rules on the responsibilities of the buyer and the realtor.
The contracts can be for a specific time frame or a property or even a wider search. But the most important thing to remember is that if you are a home buyer, you are going to have to sign a contract with an agent to be able to see that property.
These changes have been in effect in the Hoosier State since July 1st, but the new rules will not be implemented on a national level until August 17th. The change comes after a major settlement agreement between home sellers and the National Association of Realtors earlier this year.
Now, these contracts might seem confusing. You really need to understand what you're signing, because buying and selling a home is one of the largest transactions many people will ever make.
With the significance of these large transactions, realtors have been preparing to explain these contracts to clients while making sure that the client is comfortable working with them before signing. The change also means that real estate buyers and sellers can negotiate the fees they pay real estate agents.
Make sure to have a conversation with your agent and an open conversation about what you're signing when you are signing that contract, so that you understand what you're signing. Our agents have been training and preparing for this since February, so they're very knowledgeable and can explain these contracts in depth to their clients.
Agents will also have to include their fee up front and whether or not it will be paid by the seller or buyer. The change is expected to reduce the cost of buying and selling a home while being transparent about financial responsibilities early in the process. Back to you, Mike.
All right, very interesting. All right, thanks a lot, Garrett. Well, coming up.